It's worth it, but it's not worth it. Oh my gosh.
On top of the world. Top of the mountain. Top of the crater. Whatever that is.
It's not for 6 foot people.
Come on, Jet.
Jake.
Yeah. You wanna take
I
it
feel
off?
like taller
You
people
okay?
can just take like big steps.
Sorry.
It's about to fall.
You want this one? You want this?
No, we should take it off.
You want to take it off? Just take it slowly enough. I know you force yourself too much going up. You should race. Come up here. It's not about the race. I need a hat.
Sophie, can you hold this? I'm holding Ading.
Carry that. Oh, there's a parola there. What do you call that?
Captain Turbo, is that you?
Daddy. Ano yung tawag dun? Ha?
Lighthouse.